To add your Presto card to Apple Pay, you're going to need to use the Presto mobile app and ensure that your device is compatible with Apple Pay. Start by downloading the Presto app from the App Store if you haven't already installed it. Once installed, open the app and log in with your account details. If you don't have a Presto account, you can create one within the app. In the Presto app, locate the option to add your card to Apple Pay. This feature will typically be found under the Wallet or Add to Apple Pay section. So you tap on this option and the app will guide you through the process of linking your Presto card to Apple Pay. You may be prompted to authenticate your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode, depending on your device settings. All right? Once it's linked, your Presto card will be added to the Apple Wallet on your iPhone or Apple Watch. You can now use Apple Pay to tap and ride on public transit that supports Presto, such as subways, buses, and streetcars. Simply hold your device near the card reader to pay, and you're going to be on your way without needing a physical card. Hope this helped. Leave me a comment. Let me know what's happening over here, right?